Hello everyone, this is Fan Jiang from Selling Software and AI Technical Marketing, and today I'm going to walk through a quick demo of how we do DPU integration with Vitis AI 1.3 and Vitis 2020.2. DPU is a computation engine provided in Vitis AI for deep learning related tasks. To integrate GPU, there are some prerequisites you need to prepare in advance. The first one is the Vitis AI GitHub repo. You need to clone the Vitis AI master branch to your local server. And the second one is the Vitis 2020.2 development kit. The third one is the serial terminal emulator, like TerraTerm or MobXterm. It's applied to communicate from your laptop or your server to the board. The fourth one is the Linux runtime, still version 20.2. And the fifth one, if you're using the board like ZC102 or 104, you could find the official platforms provided in Linux website. The sixth one, if you're using the MPSoC series, no matter it's the evaluation board or some customized board, you need to download the common software image version 20.2 from the Linux website. The last one is Vitis AI library. It's the optional one. It's just used to validate whether your integration is successful or failed. Okay, let's start the demo. So, as I explained before, there are some prerequisites we need to prepare in advance, and so you could see there are several files in my workspace. Okay, the first one is the DPU TRD. It's copied from the Vitis AI repo from the Vitis AI GitHub. And the second one is the ZC104 based platforms. It's downloaded from the Linux official website. And here in this video, I'm gonna show this demo based on this ZC104 platform. And the third one is the ThinkMP common software. So this is the tarball I have downloaded from the website, and I have extracted to the current folder. So now I have got everything required, so we could start the DPU integration. So before we start the integration progress, there are some directory, some paths we need to set in advance. The first one is called the TRD home. So first, we're going to enter the DPU TRD and export the TRD home to the current folder, right? The second one is the Edge common software. So we need to go to the settings, ThinkMP common software, and we export it. And we could use this echo command to check if the directory is set correctly. Okay. And the last one is the platform. Export SDX platform to okay, it's done. And now we could go to the DPU TRD project Vitis. So this is the folder we're gonna compile the DPU into our platforms. And there are some files we could pay attention to. The first one is named DPU config.vh. So here we could set the DPU configurations. For example, the architecture, it could be either the B4096 or B3136. So the larger, the more resources consumed, right? And here, because this is the ZC114 platforms, so it got a URAM inside, so we could enable the URAM. But if we use the ZC112 platform, we should disable it. Okay, and there are some other switches you could turn them on off. Besides that, there is the config files. In this DPU TRD, we have provided several reference configurations for ZC114 and 102 to integrate like 3 DPU on 102 or 2 DPU on 114. We have provided some reference file here. You could refer to them to write your own config files if you're doing the integration on customized boards. And in this demo, we're going to use this 2 DPU integration on the 114 platforms. So how we connect the clock, the HP port to the AXI, and we're going to choose strategy to do the integration. Okay, so when you can confirm the configuration is correct, so everything is set as you want, then we could simply start the integration. Just simply, oh, another thing you need to check is the make file, right? You need to make sure the correct config files is applied in the make files, right? Okay, so let's start the integration. Simply make kernel echo DPU and device echo ZC114. Okay, because here we're going to integrate 2 DPU cores in ZC114 platforms. So the integration could last about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Okay, now the DPU integration has been finished, and we could find all the related files in this SD card folder, which is in the binary container, SD card. Okay, and we could simply copy all files within this SD card folder to the SD card and use to put up the ZC114 board. So this is the DPU integration progress with the Vitis command line flow. And we have also provided the Vitis GUI flow for DPU integration and also the Vitis flow to do the same thing. If you would like to see how you could do it with the Vitis GUI or Vitis flow, you could simply enter the Vitis AI repo by simply click the link here and go to this DPU TRD folder. Okay, you could follow the instruction here step by step to complete the whole progress. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video. I will see you in the next topic. Goodbye.